So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I want to show you how you can actually scan for digital or terrestrial channels on your Newmaxs decoder if you are in Kenya. So all you got to do is to mount your antenna and get a stable signal. But if you don't have any idea of getting a signal from the antenna, you can watch the video to get some shortcuts to actually track for the antenna or terrestrial signal. So at the back of your Newmaxs decoder, I have two different ports that will be receiving the signal, and those ports are the LNB ports and the antenna port. So connect your antenna cable into the antenna port or the ANT port. The LNB input is for the satellite signal, or from the LNB for the LNB cable or the signal. So after connecting your cable from the antenna into the antenna import at the back of your decoder, the next thing is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button on the remote. So from the menu page, use the arrow keys just to navigate through the menu, and then you look for installation. From the installation, you press OK on it, and here you have to confirm with the default password on your decoder, which is supposed to be 4 zeros. If no one have ever changed, it's supposed to be 4 zeros. So you type on the remote 0000 for it to open up, and the installation type will be S2, since you have not yet scanned for the digital channels or the terrestrial channels on your decoder. It's gonna be S2, and the S2 is for the settings that you want to use to actually set your satellite channels. You need to change the installation type to the T2, which is for the terrestrial second generation, and we have the auto search, manual search, the country folder right here. We have many country folders being installed on it, but it's good to select the UK, which they have many frequencies being installed. Whenever you have enough of the signal from the antenna, you want to get most of the channels available in your location. So you select the country to be UK, and you come to the manual search. If you are trying to actually track for a particular channel and you know the frequency or you have heard of it, you can select the manual search and then you edit the frequency right here, and you start turning the antenna around, monitoring the signal quality and signal strength, just to get a stable signal from the antenna before you proceed to scan. But since you don't have any idea of the frequency or the channel's frequency that you are trying to track, you need to perform an auto search. So with the auto search, you have to get a stable signal from the antenna, which means you have to stabilize the antenna at a position whereby it's going to receive a signal from the antenna main pole for you to get access to the channels that will be available over there. So you press on the auto search, you select the country to be UK, and you press on the auto search. So with the auto search, the quality of the channels or the number of the channels will depend on the quality of your antenna. So make sure that you stabilize the antenna at a position whereby you're gonna get more of the channels. So you press OK on the auto search, and then you wait.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect